Hello, welcome back. I have missed you and I want to kick off the new year and share with you 3 on-trend hairstyles for 2022. Now, I'm predicting that hair trends will piggyback off of last year and we'll see a lot of effortless, simple, undone looks, which is great because they hide any mistakes. Now, all these looks are very quick, they're easy, and I know this time of year can be really difficult, and sometimes for me, just doing a simple hairstyle can really help boost my mood. So I really hope that you liked today's video. Let's get started, and don't forget to let me know which of these looks is your favorite. First hairstyle is the infamous TikTok Messy Bun. It's great. So place your thumbs in front of your ears and trace upwards to the top of your head, holding your hair where you want your bun to sit, and I find in line with your cheekbones very flattering. Next, pull out your face framing pieces and then scoop up the remainder of your hair, joining it into that previous section. Now, for this bun, I like to first secure it into a ponytail. It just lasts way longer, so I'm using a DIY hair bungee, and this just helps maintain all of that texture. All right, are you ready? Bring your ponytail to the left side and hold on to the base of it with your right hand. And then take a second hair tie, mine's on my right hand's wrist, and with your left hand, pull your elastic over the top of your ponytail, and then stick your left hand down through it to the front, like this. Now, flip your left hand down behind your ponytail and then grab onto the base of your ponytail. And then with your left hand, bring your elastic over the top and voila, you have yourself a messy bun. Now, it's definitely a little tricky to get the hang of, but once you do, it's great. Next, twist, wrap your ends around the base of your ponytail and just pin them out of the way. And then pull on your bun until it's the size and the shape that you like. But I love this hairstyle. It's the perfect mix of effortless yet chic, and it's perfect for day to night. Next is my go-to chic ponytail with a simple trick to hide your elastic. You'll love it. So this hairstyle is great with undone waves, and my favorite way to create these is by wrapping your hair around the barrel of a curling iron with the clamp closed. This creates the perfect soft bend. Next, I'm taking a pomade and just heating it up in between my palms and then slicking those sides back. Next, take a brush and you want to brush the sides back. You want them to be sleek and smooth while leaving all the texture at the back of your head. So I did one more brush on both sides to really ensure that they're sleek, and then tightly hold your hair into a ponytail. And you want to begin pinching and pulling the hair around your crown and at the back to help add that texture and volume. And vary the sizes you're pinching from larger to only a few strands of hair. Next, secure your hair into a tight, low ponytail, and to cover your hair elastic, take a topsy tail maker and then slide it behind your elastic down through your ponytail, like this. Then grab a section of hair, you want it to be nice and long, and tightly wrap it around your elastic until you have a couple inches left. And then bring your ends through the loop, tightly holding them with your left hand while pulling your topsy tail maker down and through your ponytail to secure your ends. Now, how simple yet beautiful. This is another great look to take you from day to night and to easily elevate your everyday ponytail. Next, we have a chic and sleek low bun that'll last you all day long. So first, you want to sleek your hair back using a pomade, water, even applying a hair mask would work. Now, once your hair is going back on its own, brush it into a ponytail where you want your bun to sit. I like mine about an inch up off my neck. And then for an extra sleek look, I love to use a boar bristle brush. It's actually a beard brush, and this just gets all of those baby hairs. And honestly, for me, sometimes making the perfect ponytail is the longest step of most hairstyles. Now, once you've got it, hold it nice and tight, and I like to use a hair bungee. This will just keep everything super tight. Now, the easiest way to create a sleek bun is grab your ponytail and begin tightly twisting it counterclockwise 2 to 3 times. And then begin tightly wrapping it counterclockwise around your bun. And once you get to the left side, twist it 2 more times and then continue wrapping and repeating this until you've reached your ends. Now, once you do, tuck them under your bun and make sure to secure your bun to your head here first. And to do this, I'm using a 3-inch French pin. Continue securing your bun to your head and finish off the look with some hairspray. And there you have yourself a chic and sleek bun. It's perfect for any occasion, and it's the best go-to hairstyle for 3rd or 4th day hair. No one will know. So there we have it. I really hope that you liked today's video. Don't forget to let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite, and I'll link some similar tutorials down below if you're looking for some more hair inspo. But thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.